Hi, I'm Marna, and I wanted to give you an update on the Sunny Day doll I bought for 25 cents and give you an announcement about something else we have going on. Look how beautiful she turned out. She wasn't dirty. Her hair was it needed a good washing. And I just used degreaser dish soap, washed her up real good. She's beautiful. Her dress came out. I used the same on it. It too was not dirty, but I washed it, took her shoes off, did the inside of the shoes. Think she came out great. She has on a sweater for a reason. We are going to host a virtual, ugly Christmas sweater party. And we did that. Darren had such fun with the trick-or-treat contest that he held, and we're doing it quite the same. And what we need you to do is put your doll or dolls in a sweater in a Christmas setting or any kind of setting. We need you to send about 15 seconds of your dolls in sweaters. You can make it a Christmas background, which would be fantastic since it is a virtual Christmas party. And there will be a winner. And that winner will receive some 3D printed items made especially for the type of doll in the photo. We need the footage sent to us by December 15th at 2 p.m. Central Time. Darren goes to editing about then, and we will not be able to accept any past that. That's why I'm telling you about this early, because I know everybody gets so busy with the holidays. And if you could just take a minute even now and start sending those to Darren at dollsrescue.com, that would be fantastic. Thanks so much. Help us make this a big party. Please like, comment, and subscribe.